Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of October. And first of all, national news. Gujarat's Lothal complex to showcase India's rich maritime history. PM Modi. First test flight landed successfully at India's newest airport in Arunachal. Feel ashamed as an Indian, Kerala governor on Kashmiri Pandits' killings. For Himachal polls, BJP to replace several MLAs, internal vote against defectors too. BJP won Goa Jilla Panchayat by polls in all three constituencies. Kerala students shone at global competition for innovative electric car. PM Modi's pre-Diwali temple run ahead of polls Kedarnath, Badrinath, Ayodhya. AAP said will build schools every 4 kilometers in 8 cities if it wins Gujarat poll. Now international news. Ukraine warned of critical situation after Russia attacks on energy grid. Pak wanted to buy Russian fuel. Their condition has an India connect. UK summoned Chinese envoy over consulate protester assault. Road near UK PM Liz Truss office closed over suspicious package. Russia confirmed new strikes on power facilities in Ukraine. Russia said annexed Ukraine regions are under its nuclear protection. Blackouts in Ukraine after Russia destroyed 30% power stations, Zelensky. UK Parliament celebrated Diwali with candles, prayers. And Guinness World Records officially declared Monday worst day of the week. Israel slammed Australia's decision to no longer recognize Jerusalem as capital. Sri Lankan author Shehan Karunatilak won 2022 Booker Prize. And now some sports news. India won't travel to Pakistan for Asia Cup 2023, Jay Shah said. After becoming BCCI chief, Roger Binney named 2 areas he wants to work on. It's official, BCCI gave formal go-ahead to Women's Indian Premier League. Jyoti Yaraji became first Indian woman hurdler to break 13-second barrier. 21 Indian wrestlers to miss World Championship after Spain embassy denied visas. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty surged 1%, extend gains for third day in a row on renewed global risk appetite. Rupee reversed gain from early trade to end, almost flat at 82.34 a dollar. India is doing very well, Minister Anurag Thakur on controlling inflation. Digital banking units key to financial inclusion, Shaktikant Das said. Minimum support price hike for 6 crops, including wheat. And Ambuja Cements raised rupees 5,000 crore through Adani's family firm. To find buyer for IDBI Bank, Center wants a key rule waived, a report said. And now news related to science and technology. NASA detected most powerful gamma ray burst close to Earth. And black hole bulbs up remains of a star it consumed 3 years ago, scientists puzzled. Astronaut James McDivitt, Apollo 9 commander, died at 93. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.